In this video, I will show you how to open up your Buick Regal key fob to replace the internal battery at home. If you're looking at this device, you might say, hey, that's different than mine. Maybe you have the 4-button or the 5-button version, but if you just look closely, and you might even have the Buick symbol there, this is Chevy, but it is the same exact device. You're just going to follow along with me here, and I promise the process is going to be exactly the same. They're just different versions of the same key fob. So follow along with me. We'll get a new battery in there in no time. You won't need anything special. You'll just need one CR2032 battery. You can get these online, and I will put a link down in the description to get one of those on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go check that out if you are interested, and then we can get right into it. First step is just to flip out the internal key, and better that I just show you because it's so quick and easy. I'm just going to push up on this piece of plastic and it's going to come right off. So pushing on the little lip on the inside of where this key just came from, I'm just going to hold on this section of plastic because this will not be moving. This will be coming off. So I'm going to hold there, find that little space and just push a little bit. It doesn't take much force and you can just pull it right off with your fingers. Now we have access to the battery. We're just going to push with our finger right on the kind of the side of the battery where this little piece of plastic overhangs and holds it in place. We're just going to push right around there and it will come right out super easily. You can now dispose of your old battery and get your new CR2032 battery and make sure you are putting it into place positive side up. So when I slide this in, I want to see that positive, that plus sign and that information facing up. And now we can just position the back piece of plastic on there and squeeze it back together. And we are all set. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know by giving this video a like or just telling me down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this YouTube channel where we have video tutorials for pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can also get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.